lead scientist here. And by the way, while you're at it, would you reach into the bin behind you and take out, let's say, 2 dominoes and hold them in your hand?
Okay.
Okay. I want you to think about this. What we're looking at here is each of these is an atom. Remember how I said that the strong force glues the nucleus together? And when the nucleus splits, binding energy is released. Has anyone here ever set a mousetrap?
No.
I still have this mark on my finger here from setting this up yesterday, which is a reminder, it takes a certain amount of force to bring that little spring back. Can you picture if you take this spring and you pull it back, it takes a certain amount of force? When you then hold it in place with a wire, you're holding energy, it's stored energy. The force that you put into it is now stored there, ideally for rodent killing purposes. Now this is the part where, or well, rat traps will break your finger. What I'm going to ask you to do, and this is going to require careful hands, would you please hold this in? Okay. I want you to hold it up well above our atom. And I'd like you to hold this in.
It's
also above the atom. You can put it, okay, you can lower it a little bit. Yeah, it does look like, yeah, that's only in a Jewish school. All right, you can, yep. I think that will do. Now, each of these, well, so it is. However, only a fool would ignore the signs and touch it.
We didn't touch it during math
Each
class.
of the dominoes represents, two hands if you would care. Each of the dominoes represents a neutron. Now, the magician's lovely assistant has a couple of neutrons, and he's going to use his own stored energy. If we were doing this in a serious particle accelerator, it would take a lot of energy to get those neutrons up to speed. But because this is a small model, on the correct signal from me, the physicist here is going to fire some neutrons at this heavy atom. This is a, what kind of atom is the one we talked about in demonstrating fission?
No.
Right, fusion is hydrogen. U-235 is kind of the classic fissionable heavy atom.
What's another
Okay.
name for it?
I think we are ready to see a chain reaction be set off. By the way,
What?
why is everyone here wearing eye protection?
So it doesn't be pulling into your eye.
Exactly. Dominoes are likely to fly. So do your best job to aim at the middle of the atom.
Oh, is that
Well, where did you
No, just toss them in, but aim for the middle of the atom there. Just toss another one.
Like.
Take 2 more and throw them harder.
Don, you need
Throw them harder. Come on.
More. God, they hit my ear.
Do it again. Now,
Do it again.
hang on a sec. When a uranium atom fissions, we get krypton and we get barium, but what also flies out?
Neutron.
Extra neutrons, that's right. This is an example of a chain reaction where stored energy in each of those atoms is released. More neutrons are released. Why is an uncontrolled chain reaction a bomb?
Because
Because it can just go. It
It can just
continues
keep on going until it burns through all the material. All right, you may throw a couple more, then we're going to call it a day and pick up the neutrons. Oh, come on, throw it hard. Whoa.
One more.
All right, here. Throw it at the domino.
Here, throw those. Kira, no.
Hurry up, come on. I think we will call it a day on this.